goodbyes was the only sound I'd ever know. I made my peace with the silence. I learned to walk in the feedback, believing the signal was not meant for me. I was a rhythm without a pulse, a story with the final track erased. And then I heard your sound.
I felt the rhythm shift, the ground began to shake. A silent promise my soul was bound to make. I almost turned away, back to the drum, but something in your face